Wait, this is hail. It's hail. It's hail. It's literally hail.
No, that's just heavy rain. That's big drops.
No, that's hail. Charlotte, it's hail.
Not bouncy.
Oh. Oh, it suddenly got warm.
Yeah, that wind's gone.
No, I don't like this. Charlotte, I don't like it. Charlotte, I don't like it. I need to turn my PC off.
Okay, go turn your PC off.
Oh my god, that was right in front of us! Hold it!
I'm holding it, I'm holding it.
Oh shit! Oh.
Oh, dear Lord!
Holy! What is that? Hail! That's hail! Just close it a bit. Close it a bit. Just close it a bit.
I was about to, but
I've got it. I've got it. I've got it. I've got it. Oh! No way! That's hail. Holy heck. We have a heck of a storm.
Oh, we do.
Now it's cold again.
Yeah.
We had a really brief warm like stillness, and then it's gone back to cold again. We might actually have this could be, you know, there could be a tornado around here. with the amount of warmth and cool. Oh Lord.
Oh Lord, it coming.
Wowee. Wowee! Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What the fuck is this? I'm not even aiming.
I was just about to
I know,
say you're not
but
even
I
aiming up.
can't. I can't though. All right,
Oh.
It's stopped now. It's gone warm again.
Well, I think the hail stopped.
Yeah, it's just raining. There's a couple of hails, but no, it's just raining.
Yeah. No, that's a cold breeze.
Oh, I saw that lightning bolt.
Mm-hmm.
Now the cool breeze is back. It's gone warm again. What the fuck? Oh man.
I think Thor's angry.
Yeah. My car is full of
Ice.
hail. No, it's just rain. Wow.
Yeah, and it's warm again.
I wish this was like daytime so you could actually see what was happening with the clouds. But wow. I didn't even check the weather if this was happening or not.
No. Didn't expect this.
No. Oh!
Going mad.
That's close.
Oh yeah. It's been practically overhead for a while.
Yeah. I'm half expecting like just everything to go dark suddenly.
No, we've got a better power grid than America.
Weird flex, but okay.
True though.
Yeah. It's got cold again.
Mm.
I think
that's about it.
that's about it, unless there's a really close one coming soon. Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. You can see the lightning. I can see it on here. That's still close.
Oh yeah.
Sounds like one of my phones.
You said it.
Yeah, I said it. Anyone living in Alverthorpe alive? Yeah.
You're under 10 feet of water yet. Ooh.
The thing is, it hasn't been warm today.
No.
So where is this convection coming from? Well, we have drawn up a lot of heat from the south,
Yeah.
and it's colliding with the fucking hell. This is going to be 10 minutes of video and I want to stop it, but I can't because the next one could be a ridiculously close strike.
And it could be a really nice one.
Once it gets to 10 minutes I'll stop, or if it starts getting, it sounds like it's getting quieter, I'll stop. No, I'll stop it. Oh.
Getting closer together again.
It's moving over there though, it's not as close as what
No,
it
I know,
was.
but I just mean they're getting
It's
closer
moving
together.
away, it's somewhere over there now. Yeah, it's way over. It's way over yonder. Can I just do this real quick and... Yeah, it's all happening over there now. Well, I think we're paying for the dry April, aren't we?
Yeah? Aquas will be under 10 for a while.
Oh. Yeah, it's gone away from us now. In 30 seconds I'll sort of stop the video. Sorry. But that was very good, that was fun.
That was good idea.
That's a really good one to end on.
Yeah.
Let's hear for it. Well, that was awesome.